Sabuwar Dallang community in Miga Local Government Area is one of many regions in Jigawa State grappling with the challenge of out-of-school children. In a significant move, the Speaker, Haruna Aliyu Dangyatin, personally enrolled 300 children, providing them with free school bags, uniforms and exercise books to ease their transition into the classroom. This effort is part of the broader pledge to enroll 8,000 children within his constituency. Speaking at the event, Governor Umar Namadi, through his representative, highlighted recent investments in education, including the empowerment of 6,000 qualified teachers to bolster primary and secondary schools.
One of the most pressing challenges of education is out-of-school children. And to address that, we have to find out what exactly are the issues involved. Part of the issues, one, uniform, school bag, books, and some few other things that really impede the progress of education at the basic level, especially as it affects our poor and vulnerable children and parents. So I am really very, very glad, exceedingly happy to represent His Excellency. It's a great honor for me to witness this occasion where the Honorable Speaker really contributes his own quota to ensuring that out-of-school children are taken back to the classroom to learn.
The motive behind this program is to bring back all the children that are out of school. And as you have known, it's part of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Jigawa State, 12-point agenda. Giving education, free and qualitative one, to the child of masses. And those who are out of school, the Executive Governor promised to bring them back. That's why you follow his footsteps. And if you could remember, we have signed a commitment with UNICEF under my leadership, promising that we'll bring all the children who are out of school in the Jigawa State.
The initiative has received widespread praise, with Governor Namadi calling it a model for other states and even the National Assembly. He stressed that addressing the out-of-school children crisis is key to unlocking Nigeria's potential and achieving sustainable development.